I'm going to show you how to make perfect Indian restaurant quality Saag Aloo. Beautifully spiced potatoes with loads of spinach. It almost feels healthy and it's really quick to make too. You can have this cooking while your curry's simmering. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. If you're anything like me, then you love carbs on carbs on carbs. And you'll need a potato side dish to go with that curry, rice and naan bread. This is my Saag Aloo recipe, so let's get cooking. Heat 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat until hot. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the pan and cook for 1 minute until the seeds start to pop. It's at this point that the seeds are going to jump out the pan and try and shoot at you, so you need to be ready with your onions for this next step. So turn the heat down to medium and add in a diced red onion and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion softens. Now we're going to add in the garlic and chilli. We like a bit of heat in our Saag Aloo, so I'm adding in a whole red chilli with the seeds as well. But you can adjust this to suit your own taste or leave the chilli out entirely if you prefer. Add the chilli to the pan along with 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now add in a teaspoon each of turmeric and garam masala, an eighth of a teaspoon of fenugreek and a tablespoon of tomato puree and cook for a minute, stirring together to coat the onions. For the potatoes, I've got 600 grams or 1 1/3 pounds of boiled potatoes that have been chopped into bite-sized chunks. If you need some guidance on how to parboil your potatoes, I'll leave some information in the description below. Add the potatoes to the pan along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir again to coat the potatoes. Add in 120 ml or half a cup of chicken or vegetable stock and 150 grams or 4 packed cups of baby spinach. Stir it all together and heat for a minute until the spinach wilts. Then serve the Saag Aloo topped with a sprinkling of fresh coriander. The perfect Indian side dish to go with any curry. Chris and I will definitely polish this off with our favourite chicken madras. In fact, that's exactly what we did when we were testing the recipe. And I definitely recommend trying our onion bhajis next. See you next time.